Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be showing you my top 5 eyeshadows. So as I was doing before, if you saw my top 10 foundations, it wasn't even 10, it was 7, and I was looking through my collection and I realized I have 10 of nothing. So I'm changing the series and now it's going to be my top 5 blank products. And for today it's going to be single eyeshadows. So I'm not going to talk about like a specific color and a specific formula from a specific brand, because a lot of these brands, they just have a great formula, so I like many a color. So I'm just going to talk to you about single eyeshadows in a particular category to the brand they are from, if that makes any sense. It barely made sense to me saying it, and I was saying it. Number 5 is one that I actually really like, and that is the ColourPop blushes. And honestly, these are amazing for their price. They're just amazing no matter how much they cost. I really like them. I'll show you how some of them apply. There's stuff on my hand. I was filming before this, so there's a little bit of product left over. These are just some of the ColourPop eyeshadows. Hopefully you guys can see that. And honestly, they're so pigmented and they're really smooth going on in the hand and the eyes. Most importantly, the eyes, and they blend out really nicely. So these are definitely ones that I would suggest buying, especially like for the price. They're amazing. I'm pretty sure they're like $5 or something like totally reasonable. Plus they sell them in bundles, so you can get multiple. It's great. It's great. And spot number 4, I have the L'Oreal single eyeshadows. These are so amazing. You find them at your drugstore, obviously. L'Oreal. These are, I can't even tell you how amazing they are. They're just great. So these are part of their infallible single eyeshadow line. And these things are the most metallic. Like, I'm going to show you. I'm going to swatch a couple for you. These things are so metallic, you will not need to wet them. They're kind of like a cream-based formula. And when I tell you these things are so metallic, okay, get ready, brace yourself. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Do you see that? Are you not dying? Like, these are literally so creamy. They feel like a cream. They apply amazing, like foiled, most beautiful eyeshadows ever, and like they're great for like, okay, no more likes, that word is out. They're great for a night out. If you have like a really simple look and you're just like really wanting to like push it over the edge, bam, done, out the door, you're looking like a goddess. And yeah, honestly, like, you cannot go wrong. I would highly suggest taking a look into the L'Oreal Single Infallible Eyeshadows. Amazing. So next up, I have some single eyeshadows from e.l.f. and these are their smudge pots. So I have the shade Cruising Chic and Brownie Points, and I'm telling you the shades because these are the only 2 that I have. I believe there was 2 others, but I wasn't feeling them. But anyways, so these are cream eyeshadows. And the reason why I like these so much is because, 1, they're super metallic. They're super like foiled without being too foiled. If that makes any sense. But so this is what they look like going on. So they are cream eyeshadow. They're foiled. They go on super smooth. And the best part about these is once they dry, they will not move. I swear. You can try to sweat through them. I got oily lids. They go through the works and they stay on. So. And also, I believe they're like $2, which, how can you go wrong? How? But yeah. So, smudge pots from e.l.f. Yes. In spot number 2, and I don't know if So in spot number 2, I have a single eyeshadow from Milani. This is the only eyeshadow I have from that line, and I love it so much that this right here is my all-time favorite eyeshadow. It's in the shade Bella Bronze, which unfortunately I think they got rid of because I cannot find it anywhere. And you know what? If you want to come back with it, I wouldn't be hating. And I would buy like 10 because I'd be too scared that you could be taking it away from me again. So this is the shade right here. They're just like, oh, they're so beautiful. They're frosty. They're like an everyday eyeshadow. Like when you just want like one eyeshadow all over the lid, done and out the door, I would suggest the Bella eyeshadows from Milani. They're just so amazing. Like, yes. And the reason why this is my favorite eyeshadow is because it's like the color of my skin, only frosty. Frosty. And then last but not least, in my top spot are the Makeup Geek eyeshadows. So I have a lot more of these. These are my favorite everyday eyeshadows. They are so pigmented and so creamy, and they blend so easily. They feel like a very high-end eyeshadow. So this is a online brand, and I'm gonna show you. Let me just show you. So this is a matte, and it just goes on so smooth. Like you can see it right there. It just went on so smooth. And then this is one of their shimmers. Super foil, super beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god. And these are $5 a piece. Like, these feel like high-end shadows. Like, honestly, you can't go wrong. Like, for the formula, these are just the best of the best for just in general. Like, these are amazing. If you are on a budget, if you ain't on a budget, if you want some eyeshadow, you need some mattes, some pigments, some shimmers, you got them. These are amazing, and they have such a big range that you really can't go wrong. You can get everything that you need. So, yes. I just realized all of these eyeshadows are drugstore eyeshadows that I consider to be high-end quality, but proof is in the pudding. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Tell me what top 5s you would like to see next. I'd be more than happy to make them for you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Because I listen. Clarice commented down below. She wants to see single eyeshadows. Shout out to you, Clarice. And I gave them to you. Yes. Bye.